Hi. I got the beast running. It's been sitting all winter and pack rats had made some nests in here. But I just got done rednecking that. And the reason it's like that is normally it's flipped the other way and it'll tip down. But for where I'm wanting to try out using it, I actually need to be able to shoot the chips farther up. We're gonna go test, make sure everything's running properly and see whether or not that makes it so that we can shoot the chips any farther or not. So yeah, here we go.